Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax Pompano Beach, coming to you from this beautiful 2020 32 Sundancer outboard. Very desirable boat. This particular boat only has 105 hours on her. She is freshly 100-hour service and ready to go. Twin Simrad displays with fish finder. Fusion stereo here. Beautiful lighting all around. A nice hardtop on this boat. Thigh-rise flip-ups at the helm. Let's come back and show you a little bit of the cockpit. Notice the light-up Fusion speakers. Cockpit air conditioning. The boat has full isinglass that we're not seeing today. You'll see it in the still photos. You have the SureShade sunshade that extends here. Oh, gotta go the right way though. SureShade that extends here. And then please check out the still photos to see how much storage space you have below deck on this boat. Beautiful teak table here in the cockpit, which is removable. Wraparound seating with full storage. Here at the entertainment center, Kenyon electric grill, as well as a refrigerator freezer. And so you don't have to have that annoying 5-gallon bucket laying around. A nice trash place. Storage under that seat as well. We come on back to the swim platform. So here on the transom of the boat, you have twin 350 Mercury Verado supercharged engines with joystick steering to make maneuvering super simple. That will also include your autopilot as well as your skyhook position holding. The full swim deck is easy to walk across and is covered with nice soft sea deck. Feels good on the feet. Here we have a ski pole that installs, which is awesome, and brackets there, as well as a huge transom storage locker. Put anything you need back there, including the kids. This will be access to our shore power hookups, freshwater hookup. This boat also has underwater lights, which you're not going to see in this video. So what's awesome on this 32 is just how much space you have. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. This seat is in the forward position for hanging out at the dock. When you're going fast, put it that way and you get a backrest. Let's see the bow of this boat. It's just huge. So a great feature of this 32 Sundancer is this huge bow seating area. Even though you have the full cabin, which is nice, you've got loungers for 3 people up here on the front, as well as a hidden nice fender locker storage, speakers and lights up here as well also, and a good rope storage area. Nice high bow rail to keep the kids safe. Welcome to the inside of the 320 Dancer outboard. You have a nice galley to port side with a refrigerator freezer, a microwave, and a ton of storage underneath. You have a mid-cabin, you have a flying staircase so you don't feel closed in back there, with 2 large berths with storage underneath. They're really quite big beds. So here in the vessel you have a nice enclosed head. It's a stand-up head. You have a curtain for your shower and a lift-out wand at the sink. It'll allow you to shower in there. That is vacuum flush with a holding tank and an overboard discharge. Now in the bow area, I have it set up like a bed right now. Quite spacious, comfortable, television, big windows to port and starboard with opening port lights, air conditioning controls, speakers and lights overhead. And that's going to finish up our tour of this 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. 105 hours. Call Mike at MarineMax 954-684-1375. Thank you for watching.